Edward. So this is your Facebook page. Looks like you actually got quite a few people that like and follow you. And I was able to find your website from here. So going there. Uh, First thing I noticed, it looks nice, but it doesn't have a ton of content. The more content you have, the better. You got 655 words. So you'd probably want to add, see what your competitor has and add more content than he has. On a side note, something I've noticed when I click read more here, I've clicked on two of them. I get this 404 or oops, that page can't be found. So that's something that basically just the link isn't going to the right spot on the page. So if you have access, that'd be something I would want to, you should fix if you can. It should be a simple fix, just not directing to the right website or web page on your website. Next thing though, let's see what these images are saved as. So you just got this about 2-3. You want to have that as a keyword. So you'd want roofing repair, bear, or whatever keyword that you want to rank for, if that makes sense. Going to or Barry, I don't know exactly how to say the city, but going to Google and searching roof repair Barry. You can see there's ads will appear here first if there's any. Then there's a GMB, and then there is organic ranking. So grabbing this guy, this is what his website looks like. He doesn't have much content either, so I guess he's got 1,096. So he's got content in here. It's all these reviews. These reviews kind of give him an extra bonus content. There's a whole bunch of them here, so that's where he's getting most of his content from. Otherwise, there's not much content here besides in here, and this is boosting his content. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. You also want keywords organically in there. You want it to, read well and not just be keyword stuffed. Let's see if we can find an image, see what he has his stuff saved as. See what he's got this image saved as. He doesn't do it right either. You could definitely save that better. I mean, maybe that's just a fluke image. Yep, he doesn't have it saved right. So you'd want all your images saved with keywords. Jumping over to Ahrefs, cool tool I have. It's fun to use. You got UR of 30. Your DR is pretty low, 0.2. But you're getting a number of backlinks with some referring domains. It looks like you're working on that. You started working on that in December of last year, or 2020. So it looks like you're starting to build up, which is good. You're actually doing better than the competitor is. You're also got 35 keywords you're ranking for. Coming and looking at them, you're just on the second page and third page, and then you go way down. But you can see where you're ranking for some of these better keywords. Let's go check out your competitor. You notice he doesn't have his UR isn't as good. His DR is also not good. Your DR happens to be better, but they're both still bad. And he doesn't have near the backlinks or referring domains that you have. Google still trusts him a little bit more. It might just be because of the age, or like his backlinks kind of just gradually, slowly but surely come up. And yours just might not have had enough time to give you the strength for Google. But it would help if you had your keywords in your web page a little bit better with the in the images or on your page. But we can come see what keywords this guy's ranking for, and you'd want to berry roofing. That's 70 volume. 70 people search that a month. It's got an 8 KD. 8 KD is not too bad to beat. Obviously, the lower KD, the better. The higher, the harder it is to rank for. This guy's ranking for first page in all these, and he's getting a number of the traffic from it. You generally get about a third. So this is average. 30 people search it, 10 people go to the top spot organically. Sometimes you get a little higher, like here, 20 people search that. He's still got 9 of them. Sometimes you get lower. It varies, but generally it's about a third. Um, but yeah, you'd come in here and you'd want to have all these keywords on your website, whether it's in an image or anchor text from a backlink or on in the content itself. And then we can go check out other cities as well. Um, but yeah, we can just there might be some hidden cities around with good keyword count or a good volume and you know nice nice KD as well. Um, but yeah, next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do, and you want to make sure you fill out 100%. I don't. This top guy. I don't know why he's the top. I did not mean to click that. I don't know why that top guy is the top guy, but I went after. I took this guy. If it lets me click on it, there we go. Um, and so you want to make sure the name. You want to make sure you fill it out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then for content wise, this guy actually doesn't have any pictures. The more photos, this is probably why this guy's not beating this guy. The more photos you have, the better. That's the content. You have them saved with. See, this guy has some photos. I don't know why the other guy doesn't, but you have them saved with keywords in them. Then the next thing would be citations. For some reason, my search thing is for citations is not working. But basically, yeah, my thing's not working. But basically, citations. Let's come grab this guy. But basically, citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, YouTube, anything that has your name on your GMB, your phone number, and then location. You want that all to be the same for any directory, anything you go out there and put that in, and you get a citation back, and we can go grab. My thing was working. We could go grab all these, and then we could go search Google for more, and that'll help you rank on the GMB. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. If you want, we can set up a video call or Facebook call and talk more. If not, that's okay. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.